investing in real estate completely changed my life. So, do it.
It's a beautiful thing when you have the right people in the corner.
You can only take your expenses down to zero. Well, how high can you take your income?
When we talk about real estate, we're talking about creating generational wealth, right? This is something that people can't take away from you. This is, your kids, your grandkids, meaningful stuff.
Real estate, it's all about relationships. It's not about transactions. So find the right people and go all in with them.
That's the type of relationship and family environment that they build here. They really care and want to help. And I know for a fact they'll do anything to help anybody out in their community.
So it was at that point that I had to figure out how was I going to make that change. And to me, that answer was real estate.
If you want to get into real estate and build generational wealth for you and your family, get to this event.
Look at what else is out there and realize that this isn't the hype, this isn't the fluff, the smoke and mirrors. This is about real estate investing and education. And for what you get, for what you pay for, it's a no-brainer.